The purpose of this video is to teach you how to complete the LearnSmart activities as well as the weekly quizzes. You will have one of each for each chapter of the material that we go over, and each are worth 10 points. So it's definitely necessary to complete these in order to be successful in the class. If you are within our course in Canvas, go ahead and click on the McGraw-Hill Connect button. Your menu might look a little bit different than mine, that's fine. And then click on Go to My Connect section. If you've already established a Connect account, it should take you to a home page that looks like this. If you have not established your Connect account, take a look at my orientation video for instructions on how to complete that. Once you're in here, you'll be able to see this LS, which stands for LearnSmart. It's basically a guided reading activity that has you read through highlighted material and then answer questions. Once you complete all of those questions, even if you get them wrong, you will receive the 10 points. And most of my students have said that this assignment has probably been the most helpful for retaining material in the course. So go ahead and click on Chapter 1, LearnSmart. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. Give it a second to load. And this must be done online. You can't do it with your physical copy of your book. Sometimes it takes a minute or two to load. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I want to read. So if you click on this button down here that says Read, it'll take you to all of the material that I want you to read through. And so obviously there's a lot of information. I want you to really focus on the material that is highlighted. So there's small portions of the text that is highlighted. Go through that. Once you go through all of these pages for each chapter, click on this button down here that says Practice. And you can see that it has 35 questions for you to answer based on the reading. And like I said, if you get it wrong, it doesn't count against you, but you do have to get through all of the questions in order to get the credit. So read through the question, pick the answer that you most think would fit. So let's say you know this one, you hit OK. Let's say you have a question that you're not sure about. You can read this, read about the question that they're asking using that button, and it'll take you back to the reading. So once you completely finish with that, make sure that you close out of the Connect browser. And if you look in your grades on Canvas, it should be listed on there once you finish. Okay, so that's the LearnSmart assignments. 10 points every single chapter. Depending on how many chapters we cover a week, you might have 1, 2, or 3 LearnSmart activities to do. Now, let's go back to the Connect homepage. You also have a weekly quiz that you have to take every week. Like I said, sometimes 1 quiz, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. Go ahead and click on the quiz. This is 10 points, and I do allow you to take each quiz twice, and I will take the higher of the 2 grades. And so you get a half an hour to complete each of those attempts, and then you will see your grade within Canvas. So like I said, those are for every single chapter. If you do have any questions on that, go ahead and post it to the discussion board on Canvas, and I can try to help you out.